Camp Nou is taking its next steps forward as key construction elements continue to come together. Today's update highlights the latest progress across the stadium, focusing on structural developments, facade systems, and preparations for future phases. Each visible change brings the project closer to its final form. One of the most significant developments is the visible progress related to the compression ring. Large steel elements are now positioned on the upper structure, clearly confirming that preparations for the future roof system have begun. These massive components are being staged and lifted into place, marking an important transition phase, while the roof itself is still to come. The presence of these elements shows that Camp Nou is moving steadily toward that next major milestone. Stair cores continue to rise across several areas of the stadium. Prefabricated stair elements are being installed alongside vertical and horizontal supports. These structures are essential for internal circulation and access between tiers, and their steady progress highlights how Camp Nou's internal framework is advancing in parallel with exterior works. Facade development continues with clear progress on both llamas installation and their supporting structures. Vertical supports for the ceramic llamas are now fixed in multiple sections, creating the framework that will define the stadium's exterior identity. In some areas, llamas installation has already begun, while in others, the anchors and supports are being completed in preparation for the next stage. This confirms a systematic rollout of the facade across the stadium. Prefabricated seating elements continue to be installed, particularly in the tribune sections. Multiple rows of seating are already in place, clearly defining the shape and slope of the stands. Additional prefabricated components have arrived on site, indicating that seating installation will continue expanding across different sectors in the coming weeks. The corner sections show steady progress with new anchors, supports, and structural connectors being installed. These areas require precise alignment due to changing geometry, and the work here confirms that transitions between stadium sections are being carefully integrated. More components are staged nearby, suggesting ongoing activity in these zones. At the upper levels of the stadium, new structural frames are now installed and aligned along the lateral sections. These structures will play a key role in supporting roof-related systems and upper facade elements. Even without heavy visible movement, the completed installations indicate that this level is being prepared carefully and methodically for upcoming phases. At the north goal, progress is visible in structural supports and internal works. Platforms are positioned for continued installation, while some columns are still being reinforced. Although activity here appears calmer compared to the lateral sections, the groundwork is clearly being prepared for upcoming phases. The south goal continues to evolve with ongoing structural works, including supports for facade systems and concrete-related tasks. Anchor points and framework installations indicate that this section is aligning with the overall construction rhythm of the stadium. That's a wrap-up from today's update. If you're enjoying these detailed Camp Nou construction updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and ensures you don't miss any of the upcoming progress as the stadium moves into its most exciting phases.